from Georgia, standing 6'4" in the divine prime. It's Anthony Edwards.
Anthony Edwards knocking down the third three of the game for Minnesota.
Edwards connects, 76-67. Edwards on the move, splits two, driving layup. There's an aggressive Edwards. Edwards steps into the left side three and drains it. That's his third triple of the night. Edwards the lay-in. Timeout Boston. And lost it, got it back. He's got a hoist. And hit! How about that from Ant? Big time shot from a big time player.